Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. My efforts at making some motorcycle content for YouTube. Today I am giddy as a schoolgirl. I'm like one of those little kids at Christmas, just before Christmas morning when you come down and you open all your presents. Oh my goodness, I am about to buy possibly my forever motorcycle, but it is certainly a dream motorcycle that I have dreamed of owning for a very long time. Now, I am about an hour north of Los Angeles, high up in the mountains. You can see these enormous pine trees behind me. I am at a friend's house. He's a neighbor of mine. I actually own a cabin up here in the mountains, about a mile from here. That's how I know this guy. And he has very, very kindly agreed to sell me a very special motorcycle. So, without ado, now I'd love to be able to say this is a barn find motorcycle, but it's more of a really nice garage find motorcycle. Let's do it. This is so exciting. The big reveal as the garage door goes up. And here he is, my neighbor Mark. Hey Mark, how are you?
Hi, pretty good.
Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you so much for doing this. And thank you for allowing me to film this as well, because it's kind of special. So here she is. 10 years ago when I moved up here and I met you for the first time, I saw this motorcycle.
Right.
And you said to me, well, I think the first thing I said to you was, do you have any idea what you've got? And I think you said, oh yeah, kind of oh yeah, I know what she is. Yeah. And I was like, oh my goodness, wait till you see this bike. Now this bike is 1979,
right? Mm-hmm.
Which, well, built in 78, but first sold in 79, which makes it 46 years old.
I think it's the most desirable year. I like the look of it. They put bags on it later on and other fairings that just weren't as nice looking. Yeah.
So let's do it. Let's uncover this very, very beautiful bike. I would love to help you uncover it, but I need to film this, so.
Yeah.
This is so exciting. Now, bear in mind, I have seen this bike before. And when I first saw it, it was a very dusty bike, and you've since washed her. Look at that.
Well, I got the cobwebs off. How's that sound?
You got the cobwebs off.
Yeah.
So there she is, a 1979 CBX, Honda CBX Super Sport, 6-cylinder.
Sounds like a Ferrari.
And it sounds like a Ferrari. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pipes going into Kirker racing pipes.
And there's the stock exhaust.
And we've even got a stock exhaust that's going with the bike. So to say that I am excited about getting this bike, restoring this bike, rebuilding whatever needs to be rebuilt, fixing it up, it's going to be a fantastic project, which I hope to chronicle on YouTube. So thank you, Mark. Thank you for, first of all, agreeing to not restore it yourself or ride it again, and let me have it. So yeah, I'm thrilled. Now, the last time you rode this bike, I was looking at the license plate. Where is the license plate? Is it around?
Yeah, it's boxed up right now. But
I got so excited about this license plate as well.
Let's see what the tag says. It is.
When I saw this license plate, look at that. My CBX6. Now I'm going to keep this on this bike and register it in my name.
But you notice the year 82.
August 9th, and that was, so the last time you rode this bike would have been in 1982.
Yeah, that's
amazing.
Yeah.
So it's been a while since she's been on the road, so she's going to need going through completely. Mm-hmm. Wow. What a fantastic looking machine. So now you understand why I'm a little bit excited today. It's going to be awesome.
You want the honors to straddle it and pull it off the center stand?
Absolutely. Roll it forward a little.
It's heavy.
Well, you know I ride a police bike, right?
Yeah, so you're used to it.
I'm used to big bikes
than I think.
And not just K1600.
I think we got enough air in the tires that'll roll.
It'll roll. Okay.
And of course you got
no front brake.
No front brake. That's the natural reaction.
Let's grab that front brake.
It is. It is. And when you're either rolling off or on the trailer, that's what you're thinking of.
Oh, sure.
We got to get you turned around here.
Yeah. Go backwards and then forward. Let's get this out. Yeah, let's get that out of the way.
A little slippery?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
So I want to go back.
The floor is a little.
So do we want to do a U-turn? Yes, U-turn that way.
It is a little. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna jump off her so I can balance the bike and push.
Okay. Oh.
Well, I'm glad she moved. I was actually thinking it was gonna be stiffer than this.
Well, I did lubricate the okay, you
So,
got it?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
I thought it would be stiffer, she said.
Okay, coming back.
Yep. Perfect.
Okay.
It's just going to take a little bit of oomph.
It is. It's going to be serious.
Right, there we go.
Go.
2, 3. Push, 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 push. Nice. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And she's in.
Very nice.
Ah. Side stand. Let's let her lean for a second.
Yeah, there's cobwebs on this side. That was better than I expected.
Yeah.
Maybe more of a challenge.
Look at that. She's in.
You're going to get looks as you go down the road.
I'm going to get some looks.
Yep.
You know, I get more positive comments on my 2018 Suzuki Van than I do on my police bike.
Yeah.
But this thing's going to take the take the biscuit as far as great looking motorcycles go.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's strap her down. Of course, it's an investment bike because it's only going to appreciate in value, but it's especially once it's restored and running. But I want to enjoy it.
Yeah, sure.
It's like, why would you own a Ferrari and not drive it?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's really,
Absolutely.
it's just really as simple as that. It's like if you've got an amazingly nice motorcycle, get out there and ride it. Life's too short.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Well, the whole idea is
Have
to
fun.
ride it. Yeah.
So the deal is done. I am now a very, very lucky owner of a 1979 CBX Supersport. Mark, you're a star.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate
You
it.
bet.
I look forward to bringing the running bike back up to this property so Mark can ride it. That'll be a video in itself, right? Because the last time you rode a motorcycle was when?
It's been 50 years?
50.
Something like that?
Maybe we should start him up on the Van and then build up to
You got
the
a little
Supersport.
Honda Super
I
car.
got a 200cc Suzuki Van. We'll go from there.
All right.
All right. Thank you all for watching. See you on the next one.